In this video, you'll learn how to install Claude Code using NPM on a Windows system. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up Claude Code and verified its installation. Begin by navigating to the official node.js website at node-org. Once there, look for the download option for the long-term support version, commonly referred to as LTSS. Ensure you select version 20 or higher, as this is required for compatibility with Claude Code. During the installation process, pay attention to the setup prompts. One crucial step is to check the box labeled Add to Path. This action allows you to run node.js and npm commands from any terminal window, which is essential for the subsequent steps. After the installation completes, it's important to verify that both node.js and npm are installed correctly. Open a terminal window and type node-v, followed by pressing Enter. This command should return the installed version of node.js. Next, type npm-v and press Enter again. If both commands display version numbers, your installation is successful. Next, open the Windows terminal with elevated privileges to avoid permission errors. Right-click on the Windows terminal icon and select Run as Administrator. This step is particularly important for the next installation command. Now, you will install Claude Code globally on your system. In the terminal, type in pm install -g Claude Code and press Enter. This command will download and install the Claude Code CLI tool. If you encounter any permission errors during this process, you can use the alternative command npm install -g Claude Code onSafe perm equals sign true to bypass those restrictions. After the installation is complete, you should verify that Claude is properly installed. Type Claude-version in the terminal and press Enter. If the installation was successful, you will see the version number displayed. To further test the functionality, type Claude followed by a simple command such as write a simple node.j hello world function. If you receive a response, the installation is confirmed to be working. Now it is time to set your API key for Claude Code. In the terminal, type setsex claude underscore API underscore key, your underscore API underscore key, underscore here with your actual API key. After executing this command, close the terminal window and reopen it to ensure the environment variable is set. To verify that your API key is correctly set, type echo %claude underscore API underscore key % in the terminal and press Enter. This command should display your API key, confirming that the setup is complete. If you cannot run the terminal as an administrator, you can install Claude Code without those privileges by using the command npm install Claude Code npm. Finally, to add this installation to your path without admin rights, type sets path %user profile %npm %user profile %npm node modules bin %path % in the terminal. After executing this command, restart your terminal to apply the changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.